Hello everyone. Next we are going to take hair from one side and then we are going to section it and making a ponytail at first by using this beautiful rose rubber band, and then we're gonna make a braid, and then side by side we are going to loosen it as well. After it is done, we are going to secure it with the rubber band and just joining it along with the ponytail, and then repeating the same step once again with the back hair. Let's move ahead. Here we've made two ponytail by dividing our hair into two parts, and then we're gonna apply this ribbon and start making a braid by dividing the hair into two parts and then passing the hair to the ribbon, and then again repeating the same steps again and again till this braid is formed. After that we are going to secure the braid by using a rubber band, and then we're gonna repeat the same process with the other side also, and it is ready. Next we're gonna start taking hair from one side and then making a pony out of it, then again applying a rubber band on it and joining it to the hair, and then we are going to make a braid with the rest of the hair. We are going to squeeze the braid a little bit for this design and joining it with the rest of the hair. After that, making a final braid and then folding it. Next, we're gonna start by making 8 ponytails from the front, and then we're gonna further divide them into two parts and then start joining them together. Again and again, we're gonna repeat the same steps as you can clearly see. And then at last, we are going to use these colorful threads for making a braid. You can use any kind of ribbons or thread as you want. Then we're gonna join them to our hair as you can see and start making the braids. We're gonna divide the hair and then we're gonna keep rolling the threads onto our hair till this braid is formed. After that, you can secure it with any rubber band you want. We're gonna complete all the remaining hair with this threads only.